Hey guys, Trail Avenger 2030 here, and welcome back to Let's Play The Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask.
Follow me. That will do. Now I do like the turtle enemies in here. They're like can't crank. I don't know if you can hear them. Can't crank. Sounds like he's saying cat crap, like can't crank. So yeah, we have another one of the Twin Rovas here. So if we speak to her as a human, because they're prejudiced against Deku Scrubs apparently. I was just busy minding my own business, picking mushrooms, when BAM! I got hit from behind. That pesky Skull Kid, did he think an old hag wouldn't recognize him if he hit his face? Ow, ow! To think he's that powerful, and now I can't even move. Don't you have anything that gives you energy? So anything that gives her energy. Wonder what that could be hinting of. Well, as you guys saw from earlier, that the other hag was selling potions. So we're going to want to go ahead and buy a red potion. Link, don't roll. Use your manners, Link. What's that? The Skull Kid got to Kume? That's ridiculous. If it's just the Skull Kid, then what harm could he possibly do? Oh, well, if that's true, then take this potion to her. This isn't good. And with that, we get a free bottle of red potion. Red potion replenishes health. After using the potion, save the bottle for storing things. So yeah. Not only do we get a red potion, we also get the bottle with it. And bottles are very useless. Very useless, yes! Bottles are very useful in Zelda games. And if you played Zelda games before, you know that. Very useless. Bottles are not useless. What the fuck are you talking about, Adam? God, I cannot talk for the life of me. I don't know why. I just can't commentate. I just can't. Like, it's unbelievable. So, with the red potion in hand, gonna want to equip that. Actually, you want to talk to her first, because if you use the item in front of her, Link's just gonna drink it. Even though in Ocarina of Time, that's how you gave items to NPCs. Yow, don't you feel obligated to help? You already said that. I sure do go a lot when going through text that I've already read. Did I just try to give her the Deku mask? Yeah, the Deku mask is definitely gonna help her. Okay, that's pretty funny. Yeah, let's transform her into a Deku Scrub. That's definitely going to help her. Okay. So, let's leave the woods. You have strange powers now. Me been watching you. Lately, this swamp filled with poison water. Temple above waterfall, strange. Brother go to temple. but brother no able to find temple entrance. Temple for Deku only. Brother captured by Deku, now in palace. Help! I like the sound the monkey makes. Ho, 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 ho. So the monkeys I can't talk. So the monkeys wants us to head towards the Deku Palace. But unfortunately, we don't have a means to head to the Deku Palace. I mean, we technically do, but there is an easy way to do it. And it's the way that I personally like doing it. So I'm gonna head back to the Swamp Tourist Center. And you'll see why I like taking this alternate route to the Deku Palace more than hopping across the water as a Deku scrub. Oh yes, do not want to forget that. Owl statue. I want to hit it. And now that we have an empty bottle, we can store... Look at Link's face. He looks unamused that I forgot to hit the owl statue. Let's equip the bottle. And you'll see... Might as well get the Deku sticks. The more Deku sticks we have, the merrier. And we can pick up a fairy. If you caught a fairy in a bottle, your new friend will give you life energy the moment you completely run out. Set it to sea and keep it on your side. So yeah. Fairies heal only 10 of your hearts. They don't heal all your hearts. And if you die, fairies will revive you. Which is why they're very useful like that. Let's talk to the hag here. Oh, thanks for what you did back there. And a special deal just for you. I'll let you take this cruise for free. Ah yes, we've got a special going on right now. So we're giving this out for free. And with that we get a pictograph box. Press E to look through it and press A to snap a picture. You can shoot only one pictograph at a time, but you can retake it as many times as you like. Take a nice picture from the boat. Take it to that fellow over there. Alright, the boat's leaving. So yes, here we are on the boat cruise. I absolutely love the boat cruise. Let's just take it in and listen to the music. Pow! Right in the kisser! Ha ha ha! Or pow right in the eyes, I mean, not the kisser. We have a whole new section of the swamp that we have not explored just yet. Now arriving at the Deku Palace. Swamp water is poisonous here, so watch your step. Are you disembarking? Yes. So I am. As you can see, like they were saying, the water is poisonous. Just look at the colors of it. Yeah, pretty dangerous. So we might as well go in the Deku Palace. This music is just friggin' awesome. Just listen. Let's go ahead and transform into a Deku Scrub. And I like how we literally transform in front of their eyes and they're not affected by it. This is the palace of the Deku Kingdom. Only those in official business may enter. You may enter to see the public humiliation of the foolish monkey. I love the way he's nodding his head. It's hilarious. I laugh at everything. Follow this hall straight to the royal chamber. Do not enter any others without permission whatsoever. And again, just like commentary, I cannot read dialogue. Tiny princess only recently learned to play the Deku pipes. His Royal Highness was so proud of her. I saw it, that monkey and the princess entering the temple at night, but only the monkey came back out. Only royal family members can enter the sunken temple, so it's obvious that the monkey was using her. Rumor has it that the monkey ate the princess. How frightful! That's what the Deku Butler has to say. Now that our beloved princess is missing, the king has been unable to keep his cool. I fear the princess may be caught up in some kind of trouble, just as that monkey claims. But in his current state, the king can't even send troops out to look for her. What are we to do? What the Deku King has to say. I haven't seen your face before. Are you visiting? Usually I don't allow the likes of you in my royal chamber, but today is different. We're about to punish the foolish monkey who kidnapped the Deku Princess. He has insulted the royal family. I'll show him what happens when you do that. That foolish monkey is up there in that cage. Take a good look at his face. Yeah, he's pretty pissed off. Yeah, the point is pretty obvious. They keep saying that I kidnapped her. No matter how many times they say it, it's not going to bring the princess back. If they're not careful, the princess will fall victim to a monster. Please believe my words. Not to transform into a human. Ah, an intruder! I don't know why I felt like doing that. Speakingly. You come to see the foolish monkey again? Yep. But what we're actually gonna do is... Oh. Was my brother alright? Did you see entrance to cage? We know secret route there. Enter secret route from outer garden entrance. But entrance in tall place, no one can reach it. Need bean from bean cellar. Live beneath the palace garden. Understand my meaning? Oh, you smart. Plant bean in soft place by outer garden. And figure out rest. Hurry, help brother. So we have to help this monkey's brother who is kidnapped. So right here we have a maze. Excuse me.